Need your BingX wallet address to receive crypto? Finding it only takes a few seconds, but choosing the wrong network can cause your funds to be lost. Open the BingX app and sign into your account. Next, go to Assets or Wallet, then tap Deposit. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. BingX will then display your wallet address along the available network options, such as ERC20, TRC20, or BEP20. Carefully select the correct network and make sure it matches the network being used by the sender. For example, if you're receiving USDT on the TRC20 network, the sender must also send it using TRC20. You can copy the wallet address manually or use the QR code for easier transfers. Before sending a large amount, consider testing with a small transaction first to confirm that everything works correctly. And that's how you find your wallet address on BingX in 2026. Always double check the wallet address and network before transferring crypto. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more BingX tutorials and crypto guides.